Hi guys, my sprinkler system, one of the lines or the sprinkler head is not popping up, and I checked everything. I checked the head, everything, and only this one right here is not popping up because it does not have enough water pressure. Then I found out because it's the tree. So this tree right here, this big tree right here, so if your water sprinkler system is working correctly, but one of the heads is not working due to low water pressure, and if the head is close to the tree, and I'm sure 100%, if you check everything else, if you check the head and everything, and then if it's good, then I'm 100% sure that is the tree, due to the roots. The roots wrapped around the water line, the hose. So what I did, I dig up to find where the water line is, and because the roots here, I don't want to go in too deep because I don't want to kill this tree. So I dig all the way over here, and I found this line right here. It goes across over here, and it goes all the way down here. In order for me to check the water pressure to see if this line right here has enough pressure for the water to go out, I cut the line. Made a cut right here, and then I turn on the water system, the sprinkler system, to see if the water come out, and the water does come out a lot stronger. I am going to leave this hose right here. I'm gonna leave it in here. I am not gonna pull it out because like I said, I don't want to kill the tree by cutting the roots. So what I'm gonna do, this is the easiest way, because this line, it goes all the way deep in here. I am not going that far. I just cut the line right there, and I'm gonna use this right here, the adapter, a 1/2 inch adapter. I put it in here, and then I'm gonna run the line. I'm gonna run the new line. So I'm gonna put the adapter here and this new line here. I am gonna hook the line together. Then on the other side, I am going to put the new hose to the sprinkler head, and that will fix the problem. This way I don't have to go dig it all the way down, and this will save me time, and this is the easiest way to fix if you have the sprinkler head by the tree that has low water pressure, does not have enough pressure for the sprinkler head to pop. So I joined the two lines together using the adapter right there. And here on the sprinkler head side, I connected it to here. So if you guys find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. In the near future, I will post a lot of do-it-yourself videos on YouTube. So hopefully can help you guys out. Please subscribe to my channel, and you guys have a wonderful day. So make sure it's pretty easy to fix it, because most sprinkler system water line, they bury very shallow, I think about maybe less, about 1 foot or maybe less than that. So before you guys call the professional, if you want to save up money and save some money, and then if you want to do it yourself, you can try it. It's pretty simple, like I said, very easy. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.